Hey everyone, I'm Wego Warrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you stop by because you love seeing the products that people use up when they do an empties video, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, here is everything I emptied in the month of March. I know, right? It happens to be every month. At the beginning I'm like, oh no, I'm not going to have enough products to do an empties video. And then come the end of the month, I'm like shocked and amazed at how well I did. So hopefully I can inspire you to hit pan on some of the products you own. I'm also going to do a speed review for each product I used up or hit pan on. All right, let's get started. First product is this bad boy here. Now, does my hair look like the lady on the box? No. This is my first time using an at-home hair coloring kit. If we look there, I don't know, maybe I should have gone for shade 100. This is shade 93. This is what I wanted my hair to look like. This is what we ended up with, which isn't bad. It's just more red or strawberry blonde than I had wanted. I wanted a nice golden honey blonde, but could have been worse. I could have green hair or no hair. Could have destroyed my hair. But it didn't. It was super easy to use, super affordable. This was like $8, $7.99. And yeah, so would recommend, would not recommend this shade if your hair looked like mine before, and if you don't want to look like you are a ginger. Since I started with a hair product, let's just keep along those lines. This here is a dry shampoo from Saints and Sinners. This smells so good. Don't know if there's any left. No, it's just blowing out air. It's like a fruity floral, not obnoxious. I got this product, I don't know, a couple years ago, possibly in a test tube, and it just sat in a drawer, and then I grabbed it and used it up. I enjoyed it. It did not have any white cast. I cannot speak to those with darker hair than me, but I really enjoyed it. I also went through this dry shampoo, which is from Klorane. I want to say this one looks like it came in either an allure or possibly a test tube. It's just a little travel sample size. This one doesn't smell as good as the other one. It doesn't smell bad, but it's more herbal or spa. It's not the fun, fruity, floral scent. And because of that, just because there's so many better scented dry shampoos in the world, I would go for a different one, but if it was gifted to me or came in a box, I would definitely use it again. Okay, I went through an entire bottle of this Sun Wash Citrus Foaming Hand Soap. This is from Bath & Body Works. My good pal Renee from Beauty and More with Renee, when we met in person, we did a little shopping spree in the mall, and I picked this up. It's not my favorite scent. It just reminds me too much of like kitchen soap with that kind of citrus scent, like a cleaner. Next time I would grab like, I don't know, something that was a little sweet or floral, any other scent than this. I mean, it wasn't horrible, but just, you know, next time a different scent. All right, speaking of foaming soap, this little guy here was a tablet that you can use to create your own foaming soap. So this is from Shop Miss A and was $1. I have another empty container, and you literally just put the tab in and add 8 ounces of water and shake it up. Easy peasy, super affordable refill. Would definitely recommend if you ever do a Shop Miss A haul that you pick these up. This was in the scent coconut, which was lovely. Alright, I was cleaning up around my chair, and this had fallen over the edge and behind the chair. Anyways, I found it, and I was like, oh, okay, there's still some in here. No, when I opened it up, they had all dried out. I want to say Sassy and Chic. This came from the Dollar Tree, and it was a while ago. It was okay. Not the type I would use on your face, but definitely if you do swatches, it's perfect to take off a hand swatch. It's just the half the package got dried out. So if you pay attention more to your products and don't lose them, you can use them up before they dry out. Along those same lines, I have this package of makeup wipes. These are from a brand called Ayam Beautycare, the Dead Sea Mineral+Caviar. Sounds fancy. I want to say I picked these up on Amazon a few years ago. Same scenario, lost track of them. There are some in here. I'm also noticing there's some tape. This is my tape. So, meaning the little thing that's supposed to stick back on didn't work. So I had to add my own tape. For that reason, I would say pass, because they did dry out. Now on to the actual package of makeup wipes that I have used recently. These are from Refreshments. This I got as an Ipsy add-on for like $3.50. I did leave one left in the package so I can show it to you in case you subscribe to Ipsy. Now, what I don't appreciate, the size is decent. They're thick. They're moist. It's giving me a funky scent. It's reminding me of that Dr. Bronner's soap that I had. So I don't know if it's like a hemp scent or if it went funky, because I don't remember it smelling like that when I first started using the package, but it ended that way. It's a very subtle, reminds me of the scent of oil when it kind of goes rancid. Not super strong, but just either hemp and rancid oil. I don't know, it's hard to explain. No. So there's one left. I'll just use it to try to get glitter off my hand from an upcoming video you will see. I would say for $3.50, you get 30 wipes. It's really good to get rid of swatches. You could use it on your face, but not the way they smell now. I have here a product you don't see very often in my empties. It's a really small sample size, so that is why it's empty. This here's from a Korean brand called Papa Recipe, and it is an eggplant clearing mud cream mask. Yeah, I would use this in the shower. It is very like eggplant color, dark purple. So if you ever pick it up, just be careful. It won't stain your shower, but be careful when you goop it on, like drops of stuff end up at the shower, at the bottom of your shower, and you're gonna have to grab the nozzle to kind of rinse it off. At least I experienced that. Do I need to use masks very often? No, I'm blessed with dry skin. I don't get a lot of acne. I used it up. Would I buy it again? Just because I'm lazy and don't use these type of products? I'm gonna say no. Next product is a teeny tiny sample of a serum from a brand called Sulwhasoo. This was nice, very tiny. It was great. This reeks of something that came in maybe in a lure box. Don't quote me on that. Was it enough to know if I would ever repurchase it? Not really. I mean, it's a little tiny sample. I enjoyed using it though. Here we have a moisturizer from Item Beauty. This is the Light Sauce. This is a gel kind of water cream. There we go. There's a little bit left in there. I don't know if it'll pick up. It's right there. It's like clear. This was okay. It was nice. I determined, I don't know that I like a squeezy tube kind of gel water cream for my day cream. I would go in with my serum and then follow with this and then put my sunscreen on. It was okay. It was, I won't say it was tacky, but it's the type of moisturizer where you can kind of feel a little something left and it will eventually go away, but I don't have the patience to wait. So once you put a different moisturizer on or something else, then you don't feel it anymore. Would I repurchase? I'm going to say no, just because there's so many other day moisturizers that I prefer better. I got this in a box. If I got it in a box again, I would use it, but I would not go out of my way to repurchase it. All right, Flashback City. We have this product here from Avant. I did a full video about Avant products. This was one of the numerous night creams I had. This is the 8-Hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. I ended up using this as like a hand cream on the heels of my feet to finally use it up, and she is gone. And no, I will not repurchase. It's just too scented, too thick, and too expensive. Along those same lines, I have this other additional Avant product, also a night cream. This is the Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Verifying Face and Eye Night Cream. This one is extremely floral scented and not quite as thick as that other cream, but way more scented and obnoxious. This I ended up using on my hands, arms, and elbows just to use it up. Give me a nice pat on the back. Heck no would I buy this again. Don't like the scent, and it's way too expensive. I finally did it. I've had this package of hydrogel eye masks. This is from a brand called ProSiv, and I got this off of Amazon a few years ago. Comes in a package like this. I left a couple in here so I could show them to you. The last pair is kind of dried out. They're green. I actually think I might have a separate video using these. They were nice. They stayed under my eyes. Did they get rid of wrinkles? Does anything get rid of wrinkles? They felt nice. They're the type that you leave on for 20 to 30 minutes. I would purchase them again, just not in the near future, because I believe I have several different eye patches that I've received in various beauty subscriptions. This product here is from Kapari. It smells divine. I actually am already going through a second one that I got. This was from, oh, it smells so good. It's like a vanilla, soft coffee, coconut mixture. It's a body cream. Lovely texture. It's like a thicker but not too thick. Wonderful. Getting out of the shower, applying it to the legs and arms. Really enjoyed this. I want to say this came in a trend mood. And then I also got another one, I want to say in a trend mood or BoxyCharm, or I don't know. But I have a backup and I'm excited because this product I would definitely pick up again. Alright, and the last product, this is kind of makeup. There's a little bit left, but I hate this packaging. You can't get any more off onto the tip because it doesn't go all the way down. So this tapers, and yeah, so this isn't the first product like this where you feel like you have a third of the product left that you cannot reach because the doe foot doesn't go all the way down. This here is from SERAPHINE Botanicals, and it's the Persimmon and Plump Glaze Finish Lip Glaze. It was okay. The texture, it was a little thick. It didn't slip and glide how I love my lips. I don't care for the scent. It doesn't smell horrible, but it's interesting. It's like a weird fruit, but doesn't smell like anything I'm accustomed to or know. It's not citrusy. It's not berry. If anything, it's maybe kind of like cantaloupe, but not really. I don't know. It's hard to explain. Was not my favorite, but I did use it up. If I even got it in a future box, I'd probably set it aside for a giveaway. It just wasn't my favorite, but it wasn't too obnoxious where I couldn't use it up. I don't know. Does that make any sense? Hopefully you understand what I'm trying to say. All right, that is it. That is everything I emptied in the month of March 2023. Let me know if you've used or tried any of the products I shared, or if you've ever been interested in trying them. And I would love to hear about any product you were able to hit pan on or empty in the month of March. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor, if you could click the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.